using, like in subject 1, colour and design, we're using an actual property. It's in a suburb. We have we have a persona, we have real clients that we use. They're fictitious clients, if you like, because, we can't just grab any old person, but the property's real. The parameters of the scope of works and the design brief is all based on a real life scenario, because we want you to start from the very get-go, asking client questionnaires, developing and designing things, and working on scenarios that with vocational education, it's about job readiness. So we want you to be, that's our job, to get the students job ready.
No, thank you for that.
Tack on to the end of that really quickly, that the documentation that you use or that we develop within the course is the layout of your quote, the layout of your scope of works, all of those things, that you develop them within the modules of the course, and they become your working documents. They are the documents that I give to my clients now, which I developed within the course. So you do, by the time you're completed, you have this little toolkit of stuff ready to go.